What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 ways to improve your live show. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about 10 ways to improve your live show. If you like this ebook, be sure to download it on my website, mixedbygels.com. Download it, share it with your friends, share it with other artists. Like I said, we're going to talk about 10 ways to improve your live show. So enough talking, let's head over to the computer and dive into this. Fam, here are 10 ways to have a better live show. Here's a bonus before we even get started into these 10. Please, please, please do not perform with your regular track playing. Get a TV track or a performance track created from your engineer who mixed and mastered your records. Get a performance track done before you do a live performance. All right, now let's get into this 10. Number 1, preparation and rehearsal. Put in dedicated time for rehearsal and preparation. Practice your songs, transitions, and stage presence to ensure a polished and well-executed performance. Rehearsing regularly will help you feel more confident and comfortable on stage. That's pretty self-explanatory, man. Practice, practice, practice. Number 2, stage presence and energy. Connect with your audience by exuding confidence, enthusiasm, and energy. Engage with the crowd, make eye contact, and show your passion for the music. Use body language, movement, and gestures to enhance your performance and captivate the audience. Definitely, man, you want to give high energy and good stage presence when you're performing. You really don't want to stand in one place. Just stand in the middle of the stage, staring at the crowd while you're performing. That gets really, really, really boring. Yeah, you may have a part in your show where you're getting, you want to engage with the crowd or you're getting emotional or something like that. It's whereas though you want to stand in one spot and really, really engage the crowd. That's fine. But standing in one spot the whole entire show, as being in the audience, man, that thing is going to get extremely boring. Dynamic set list. Craft a set list that takes the audience on a journey. Plan the flow of songs to create contrast and variation in tempo, energy levels, and emotional impact. Build up to high energy moments and allow your moments of intimacy and connection. This is big, man. The set list can really, really be important. You don't want to have all your emotional songs in one place, have all your high intensity songs in one place. You kind of want to take your audience on a journey, take your audience on a ride with you, man. You may have an emotional song you want to start with, then build up, then build up, then build up to the bang. And then you may want to end with another emotional song. You may want to end with a bang as well. Just take your audience on a journey if possible with your set list. Number 4, stage setup and visuals. Pay attention to the stage setup, lighting, and visuals. Create an atmosphere that complements your music and enhances the audience experience. Consider incorporating stage props, backdrops, and projection screens to add visual interest and depth. I know this can be hard, especially for independent artists that are doing open mics and stuff like that, but you can bring different types of props and stuff like that with you to these open mics and different shows, man. So just try to be creative. Try to keep your fans glued to your performance. Even if somebody isn't there to see you, the right prop or the right stage visual can really, really grab their attention. Engage with the audience. Interact with your audience throughout your performance. Encourage sing-alongs, call and response, or clapping along to create a sense of participation. Share personal stories or anecdotes that provide context and connection to your songs. This is big, man. Connect with your audience. Let them know that you see them, man. If somebody's not paying attention, that'll get them paying attention. Hey, I need you guys to clap along with here. I know Beyonce has a part of her show where she asks the crowd to be quiet. Like that can be intimidating and intense at the same time, because who wants to be that one person in a crowd that talks when everyone else is quiet? Like, that's uncomfortable. So that's powerful on her part. Get the crowd to sing along with you, especially if you have a crowd of people that may know the words, or be like, hey, sing along with this, and give them the words that's coming up next. Like, really, really interact with the crowd. Let them know that you care about them as well. Authenticity and connection. Be genuine and authentic on stage. Share your emotion and experience, allowing the audience to connect with your music on a deeper level. Be open and vulnerable, creating an intimate and personal connection with your listeners. This is a big one as well. I know what really, really got me into DMX. I love his music, but I saw one of his shows, man. He stopped mid-show and just started praying. He was praying, crying, and you really, really felt who DMX was as a person, some of the things that he was battling, and just the impact he had on everyone with that prayer, and how he connected with the audience. Man, that was very, very powerful. So don't be afraid to connect with your audience in a more intimate way. Number 7, stage banter and transitions. Develop engaging stage banter and smooth transitions between songs. Practice storytelling, humorous anecdotes, and insightful commentary that adds depth and personality to your performance. Use transitions to maintain momentum and keep the audience engaged. This is big too. You don't want one song to end, the next song starts, and you just do the whole show like that. You may want to, whoever's creating your show track, your show mixes, have a little gap in there between the songs where you can interact with the crowd, where you could talk a little smack if you need to, where you can get some crowd participation in between songs, or maybe cut one of the songs short so you're rapping without the beat and then it drops on to the next song. Just kind of do some creative things to keep the show interesting. Number 8, visual performance and showmanship. Consider how you present yourself visually on stage. Experiment with your attire, movement, and overall aesthetic to create a visually compelling performance. Showmanship can captivate the audience and make your live show more memorable. Here's an example. MC Hammer, those Hammer pants. We all remember the Hammer pants. We all wanted those Hammer pants when I was growing up. When I was coming up, man, like it was big moments. Travis Scott, some of the things that he does on stage, like, is very, very, very memorable, man. So just try to do some memorable things on stage. Have maybe a memorable outfit, some aesthetic, man. Just make the audience remember who you are, especially the people that may not be there to see you if you're sharing a card. Collaborate with other artists. Incorporate collaborations or guest performances into your live shows. This can add variety, surprise, and excitement for the audience. Collaborations can introduce your fans to new artists and expand your reach through shared audiences. This is big. Like, imagine you're from Virginia. You book a show in Baltimore, man. You reach out to up and coming Baltimore artist. Y'all create a song together, and you bring that artist out on stage, man. That crowd is gonna go crazy with that collaboration. Just think of some cool collaborations where you can possibly bring someone else's audience out, also introduce a new artist to your audience, and also have a new artist introduce you to their audience, man. It's big, big, big to have collaborations and bring out features during shows. 10, feedback and continuous improvement. Seek feedback from trusted sources, including bandmates, friends, or industry professionals after each performance. Analyze your live shows, identify areas for improvement, and continually strive to enhance your stage presence, musicianship, and overall performance. The easiest way to do this, man, is to have someone record your performances. Just set up a camera or use their phone, point it at the stage, and let it fly. After that performance, look at yourself, man. Look at it and see if it's a show that you would actually want to attend, that a show that you would actually want to see, and improve from there. Yes, sir. We all know live shows are vital, man. And those were 10 ways to take your live show to the next level. If you found some value in that, man, be sure to download this ebook on my website, mixedbygels.com. Also, if you found it valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Share it with everybody that you know that can benefit from it, man. Hey, if you have some more great ideas to take live shows to the next level, let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Let's help each other be better. Let's help each other be great. There's enough fans out here for everybody. Hey, but like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And it's your boy Gels. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.